Hey everyone, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we are going to check the new Realme 13 Pro, a mid-range smartphone that boasts a stunning AMOLED display, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery, all wrapped in a stylish design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Immersive display with blazing fast refresh rate. The Realme 13 Pro takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED display. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, you'll enjoy clear visuals even outdoors on a bright sunny day. Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protects the display from scratches and accidental drops. Capable performance for everyday needs. The Realme 13 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. You can choose between 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of storage, ensuring you have enough space for your apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the most powerful phone on the market, it offers enough processing muscle for most users. Realme 13 Pro's camera captures stunning photos and videos. The Realme 13 Pro boasts a dual camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with OIS and face detection autofocus is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, especially in low light conditions. The 8MP ultra-wide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots. Features like LED flash, HDR, and panorama allow for creative photography. The phone can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 1080p resolution at 30 FPS. Designed for the modern user. The Realme 13 Pro boasts a sleek design with a glass front and back. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. The phone comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, a welcome feature for those who prefer wired headphones. The phone also supports 24-bit, 192kHz high-res audio for high-quality audio playback. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. The Realme 13 Pro packs a 5200 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 45W wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 50% in just 27 minutes. A stylish mid-ranger with impressive features. With a starting price of around 23,999 rupees, the Realme 13 Pro offers a compelling package for users looking for a stylish phone with a high refresh rate display, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery. The phone boasts a sleek design, fast charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. While it might not have the most powerful processor on the market, it offers enough performance for most users. Realme 13 Pro is worth buying. Looking for a phone with a beautiful display, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery? The Realme 13 Pro might be worth considering. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Realme 13 Pro. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.